That's what we're doing. That's what we're pulling. Pull it in. Now, handle. This is definitely breaking one day. Look at this. Plastic onto metal. It's awesome, right? So, with really, really long arms and a step stool, we're going to get to this air filter. Why? Look, I'm 6 foot and I can not see this one over here. You see? One over there. One right there. And we're going to get them out and see. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, and I think it slides out of this. So let's get to work. Okay, so it shows it can be a Phillips, but mine's the wrong Phillips, and it was about to strip, so I'm going to 8 mil. Let's get the 8 mil. Make sure you grab them. They do come all the way out. Put them in a safe spot. Here you go. Now see if we can get this thing off. Hey, look. The filter's out. Unplug this, probably the MAF sensor. Safety clip, squeeze, pull out. Safety clip, squeeze, pull out. Now, we're gonna pull out some more and see what this thing's all about. Look at this, look how big this thing is. All right. Dirty? It's a 25. So there you go. Now, these are what I had to pull out of those little locking tabs. So it's going to be pretty tight. Definitely need both hands. So let's get this back on and see. You see, you got to unplug it. There's no way you're doing it without it. Line them up, push them in. There you go. Got it? Good. Now don't lose the bolts. Make sure you plug this thing back in. Bolt them back in. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.